In this episode, we're headed to Coloma Resort, where we were not impressed. And then we were impressed when we switched to a riverfront spot. So let's go to Coloma Resort.
Hi, my name is Jason. This is my family, and we love to travel.
To the beach!
Or the lake,
In the forest! On the coast!
to the mountains, and even deep underground. I hope you come along as we travel all around our home state of California, the greater United States, and beyond. We invite you to come join us as we go exploring.
Well, we have left Lake Tahoe and we are headed down into the Sierra foothills to Coloma, California, a little gold country town just north of Placerville on Highway 49. We booked 2 nights at the Coloma Resort RV Park on the South Fork of the American River. When we arrived and checked in at the office, we found out that our spot was not good. We had no space and we were right on top of our neighbor. Our dump hookup was in their campsite.
It's quite a disappointment, that's for sure.
But it had been a long drive and it was very hot. So Jack, Jody, and I decided to head to the pool to cool off, before deciding if we wanted to leave the resort or not. On the way to the pool, we saw some other spots that were much better. So we enjoyed splashing around and having a couple of drinks.
Jack, what do you think of the pool here?
I like it, although it's very busy.
And after cooling off at the pool, we checked out some of the resort on the way back to our RV. There was a little smoothie stand that looked like an Airstream trailer. And there were these nice bathhouses that we knew we wanted to use before we left. And we also saw that they had some premium spots right down at the riverfront with lots of space. So we decided we'd stay the night and give it one more try in the morning. So the next morning, I got up early and headed to the office to see if we could switch our spot. The office wasn't open yet, so I did a little more exploring around the resort. Once the office did open up, they told me that they could get us into a riverfront spot, but not until later in the afternoon, which actually worked out fine because we had planned to head into town anyway to do some laundry. So we packed up and headed out across the bridge. We found a little laundromat in Placerville in this tiny strip mall, which also had a little Mexican grocery store in it with a taqueria inside called Santa Maria. So we got some authentic Mexican food and had lunch in the RV while we did our laundry. And when we got back to the RV park, we had our new, much larger space right on the river. I could walk right down from our campsite and just wade into the water. It felt so good. I even tried a little gold panning. After all, we were in gold country. But I didn't find any gold. There were plenty of these little guys, though. Our new spot was so nice, in fact, that it even prompted Kira to come out of the RV. Actually, the power had gone out at the RV park, so there was no Wi-Fi and no air conditioner, so she brought Sunny out to enjoy the cool evening air coming off the river. We set up our camp and grilled up some burgers and hot dogs for dinner, and enjoyed the rest of our evening hanging out at Coloma Resort. It was a big improvement from the previous night. I would definitely recommend staying at one of the riverfront sites if you ever go. Well, thanks for watching this video, and please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications when we post new videos from this series. We'll see you next time.